Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Pro, and today I will show you how to access recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off once it's visible. There we go. Tap on it once more and wait for the device to shut off. Now, once the device is off, we want to then hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do that now. Power key, volume up, and hold them till you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. There we go. You can let go now. And you can see that we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can select each option by just tapping on it. And yeah, so as you can see, you can reset your device from here, wipe cache partition, and enter safe mode. So like I said, you would access each one just by simply tapping on it. Now I'm gonna choose the reboot system now as an example. So just tap on that and the device leaves recovery mode. And let me just put in the pin for the SIM card. So that is basically how you would enter and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.